Free Clickfunnels Affiliate Bootcamp. What is up, guys? Malama here with another online money hooks video. So in this video, we're going to be talking about the recently launched Clickfunnels Affiliate Bootcamp training. So this is basically a free training that teaches you how to become a super, remember guys, a super affiliate marketer by Clickfunnels, the owner of Clickfunnels, Russell Brunson, Julie Stohan, and Stephen Larsen, one of the biggest internet marketers in the game, guys. I'm talking about top-notch internet marketers. These guys really know their stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and head over right to the computer so I can take you guys through the training, how it's delivered, how you guys can get to sign up, and how you get to receive those lessons. And going to include another bonus that you may not know about this that may increase your chances of becoming a super affiliate, as well as helping you build a really sustainable online business. So I'm gonna end this video right here and get over and take you guys onto my laptop so that I can show you guys what I'm talking about. Alright guys, let's get into the nits and grits of the affiliate bootcamp. So this is like the grand affiliate course that you can ever get online, guys. And so far to say, I've found a lot of knowledge in this course that I think for it being given away for free, it's a knockoff, really, guys. It's so damn free and it's got a lot of valuable information. So this is the affiliate bootcamp by Clickfunnels, and it's taught by the highest earners in the Clickfunnels program. So if we go here, we've got what's called the dream car challenge. So what this dream car challenge is basically, it's a contest that went on that Clickfunnels. Okay, it went on and it's currently going on, where Clickfunnels pays an addition of $500 on top of your already earned commissions. You get an addition of $500 or $1,000 towards your monthly carries. So how does this work? Well, basically how this works is you have to sign up 100 people onto the Clickfunnels platform. Let me just go where they break it down. So you join Clickfunnels and you get just over 100 new Clickfunnels users sign up under you. So you promote Clickfunnels to 100 people, and once you get that, you get a $500 per month towards your lease payment, towards your dream car. So any car that you want to lease, you can go ahead and promote to people and get about 100 people onto the Clickfunnels platform. You get 1,000 people, you get $1,000 for 200 active Clickfunnels members that you bring into Clickfunnels. So this is basically, you guys, this is where this software comes in, guys. This is why I'm saying this is the holy grail of affiliate marketing. If you're not using this course, basically you're missing out big time. If you're just starting out, you're struggling with affiliate marketing, because this is what I've seen on Quora. A lot of people asking, how does affiliate marketing work? I go in Facebook groups, why isn't affiliate marketing working for me? And this guy right here put together an amazing course by his contest winners, people that are super affiliate marketers. These are not people that work for Clickfunnels. These are independent individual internet marketers inside the affiliate marketing world, and they are earning six figures. So who best can you learn from? Would you want to go with a try and error, going all over the internet, asking questions, and not having a direct step-by-step process in which to achieve your results by becoming a super affiliate and make a full-time income off it? Or go and get this free training that's being offered right here. All you have to do is just come to this page. There's a link in the description. You click here, register, enter your email address, and off you go, and you get free training right here. So this is a training area. This is my training area right now. As you can see, it's got affiliate bootcamp day 1, affiliate bootcamp day 2, day 3, day 4. So you only get 1 to 1 session a day. So these are the trainings for day 1, and they expired. Today is day 2. So I've already got 2 days and 14 hours to go ahead and watch this training. So these trainings are only available for a limited amount of time. I think maximum you can have this training available to you is, I think, 24 to 48 hours. So if it goes, it should be 48 hours, but not less than 3 days, guys. So you have, I think, a maximum of 3 days to absorb this. But the first training, as you can see, this training that just expired, which is right here, which is this training here on day 1, was only available for 24 hours and it expired, and I can no longer have access to that. And I'm on day 2 right now, and this will be expiring in 2 days and 14 hours time. So I've got still some time to go ahead and watch these guys. So just to prove to you, saying these people that are on this platform are really the people that are on the dream car contest winners, and they are the right people to learn from, because they are super affiliates, meaning they are earning almost 6 figures doing just affiliate marketing. These people don't have jobs or anything. All they do is just affiliate marketing. So I thought personally these would be the right people for me to learn from. So if we look at Greg Jeffries and go to the dream car contest winners, Greg Jeffries is one of the winners of the Clickfunnels affiliate program. There he is. That's Greg Jeffries right there. And there's another contest winner, Job Caris. So Job Caris is also available on the dream car contest winners. Let's just scroll down right there at number 53. It's just that he doesn't have his picture. They don't have his picture up yet. So you see, guys, these are real serious affiliate marketers. No jokes, guys. So I personally thought these would be the right people for me to go ahead and learn affiliate marketing from, rather than expanding my learning period to over, maybe if it has to take me maybe a year plus to earn 6 figures. If I can get on this program and get to learn this in less than 6 months, because this is a 100-day process. You have to be doing this for 100 days for you to earn, to go to where you have over 100 Clickfunnels users, and that to be able to pay for your car lease. You go to 200, you get $1,000 per month. So every month Clickfunnels gives you $1,000 if you get over 200 members, provided you stay above the 200 members mark. So let's go into the affiliate section. As you can see, Clickfunnels has a numerous number of programs. They've got the Clickfunnels software itself that helps you build sales funnels. So this can be sold to almost any industry that you may think of, whether it's in the e-commerce space, real estate, network marketing, consultants, coaches. Almost every online entrepreneur needs this product, and it's very easy to sell. So as you can see, they give you a 14-day trial to try it out. But even if you are trying to promote it, you might as well use it, because you might be able to, that's the best way for you to go ahead and sell it, because you may build some funnels and give them away for free to people. So how does this work? If you look at this, Clickfunnels offers the $97 per month plan and the $297 per month plan. So if we go ahead and just look at the commission breakdown. So if on the $97 plan you get $38 every month, on the $297 plan you get $118 every month, and in addition on whatever else they get through whilst signed up under you, and you still get commissions from that. So being practical, let me show you the potential of how much you guys can earn using this platform. So if we take a look at the $38, 38.8. That's almost $40. If you multiply that by 100 people, 100, this is your monthly recurring income. If you stay at 100 people signed up per month. Now, what if you also get an addition of 500 on top of that, plus the 500 towards your cardis? You get an amount of 4,380. If we go ahead and you get people maybe that are signing up for the $297 plan, and you get 118, you multiply that by 100, your potential earning is 11,800 plus the $500 that you earn towards your cardis, which is the bonus. You get $12,300 per month. You tell me if that's not a killer, guys. This is the holy deal. I think this is the best affiliate marketing program that anybody should be in if you are doing affiliate marketing in 2019. If you're not promoting Clickfunnels, you're dead. I'm dead serious. You're missing out on a lot of money. So now let's talk about the expiry dates. So if you don't want this to expire on you, what you can do is you can go ahead and click here, as I'll be signing up also, and go ahead and take the one funnel away challenge. This challenge I highly recommend to anybody that wants to have full access to the Clickfunnels platform. So I'm gonna go ahead and play this short video by Russell Brunson.
Hey, this is Russell again. Thank you so much for joining the Affiliate Bootcamp.
Hope
I cannot wait to take you on this journey.
You guys
Bootcamp, you're going to learn how to become a Clickfunnels super affiliate in the next 100 days. We handpicked some of our top super affiliate. Now you can use these things to promote. Hey, this is Russell again. Thank you so much for joining the Affiliate Bootcamp. I cannot wait to take you on this journey. Now, during this Affiliate Bootcamp, you're going to learn how to become a Clickfunnels super affiliate in the next 100 days. We handpicked some of our top super affiliates to walk you through the step-by-step process of how they built up their affiliate business, what they're doing, how they're driving traffic, all the pieces you need to know to become a successful affiliate. Now, you can use these things to promote Clickfunnels or use them to promote any other product or service you want as well. And I think you are going to love all of these interviews. Now, what's going to be happening is over the next few days, every single day, we're going to unlock a couple different interviews, and you have 24 hours to watch them, and then they disappear, and then they'll open up a few more, and then they disappear, and that'll happen.
So if you want to have unlimited access towards this affiliate bootcamp, what you gotta do is you can come over here and you can sign up. So, and I'm pretty sure they're even giving away this affiliate bootcamp book for free on top of that. So what you want to do is you want to come here and sign up for the one funnel away challenge, which will be happening in the next coming week on the 4th of August. This is the holy grail of internet marketing. This is $100 course from the top affiliate marketers in the space, and they're giving it away for $100, just $100. So here's your mission, or they explain to you. Every day for 30 days, there will be a live training every day, live coaching session, live calls from the coaches, and all you have to do is just have to spare 2 to 3 hours a day just to take this challenge. It may be after 9 to 5, or it may be early morning, some of you guys, depending on your time zone. So these are the coaches inside the Clickfunnels affiliate program, inside the one funnel away challenge. So you've got Russell, the owner of Clickfunnels, who will be the strategist, Julia Stowan, who will be the transformer, and Steven Larsen, who is the executioner. So this challenge has been going over for several months now. I think this should be the 3rd or 4th time they are doing this. So you might as well jump on the train, guys. So this is a challenge kit. This is what you get. This is what you basically get after you sign up for the one funnel away challenge. You get bonus number 1 is you get the 30 days 550 hardcover book. Now the catch to this is the people that are training you, and the people that have written their 30 days plan in this book on how they can go from 0 to a full-time online business using ClickFunnels are people that have earned over $2 million in ClickFunnels. So besides just these coaches that we have here, we have people that are on ClickFunnels that are called the 2 Comma Club members. These are the people that have earned $2 million using the ClickFunnels platform, and they share with you how they did that. So that's a killer. That's bonus number 1. Bonus number 2 is your One Funnel Away challenge workbook. So this is where you get to write everything, your tasks, whatever you're doing, your plans, your journal, your video training links, and all that will be in this book. And the third is the MP3 player with the first ever One Funnel Away challenge that was done. These will be some trainings that you can hear from when you're going at the gym, when you're picking kids from school, running errands, traveling, working out, and all that kind of stuff. So this has got over 40 hours of recordings by Russell Brunson himself on what went down during the first One Funnel Away challenge, which was, I think, a very big shaking, which really helped a lot of people. So those are the things that you get. So all you have to come over to this page, and you can get to sign up for the free bonuses. Another one is the free affiliate bootcamp ebook that you guys will get. Then you also get unlimited access to these trainings. That's another bonus that they're giving you. So you get unlimited access to these trainings. I know some of you it may take time for you guys to sink in, so you might want to come over and rewatch until you get to understand the concepts behind these trainings. So you might as well sign up for the One Funnel Away challenge, and you have unlimited access to these coaches right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here, guys. If you ever need anything to this page, you can use the link in the description, and you can come over, sign up for free, and really get to feel if this is the right thing for you. If you feel this is the right thing for you, I'd highly recommend you also sign up for the One Funnel Away challenge, which will be happening on the 4th of August 2019. I don't know when the next one will be coming around. It should be probably September or October somewhere. So you might as well take chance on this one for just $100. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Over and